Good evening, toy boxers. Here we are, 206 West High Street. Everything's still a disaster, and we're working out the things. Oh, look, there's Callie Bay, sitting there waiting to greet us. One of the things you'll notice real quick right off the bat is we've rearranged. So things are more of a disaster than usual, but nevertheless, they're coming along. We got all sorts of stuff. We just got back from a show. But we're working on things, getting it all figured out. We got everything down here. Look, we got the Legos coming in. They're on their way. Working on that. We got Lizzie's desk here. We got my desk over there. Going quick. Well, going a little too quick. All sorts of things. Fun toys. And this, well, we'll do this here. Yeah, there we go. That's a little censored, right? I think. Yeah. Those are custom orders for a buddy of mine. Known him for quite a while. Anyways. Get back here to the good stuff. We got all sorts of things going on. We've rearranged. We've got the 5 pluses. We've got the Quora, Mighty Joe, S1, S1 Pro, and Plus, I believe. We've got the A1s. They're all doing their thing. New stuff coming out. S'mores Dragons. They're adorable. Sold that thing like that today. Got some Sasquatches, but they're mad. They're out of the brown. That's always fun. Oh, Callie Bay's coming. Hi, Bay. You gonna come say hi? Say hi out to the peeps. Say hi. Oh, yeah. They're wonderful, aren't they? Yeah. She loves you guys, too. But we did get a new edition, and you can watch this bad boy printing live right now. This video is going to go up in the next couple minutes. And then the Panda Kong here has been printing for, a few minutes. It's just getting started. Going through the LiDAR phases and all that stuff. You can see these things live as it goes. We're currently printing these bad boys here. These little baby toothless like dragons. They're by Zal. He designed these. They're awesome, but we make them look like toothless. First up, batch of these, and then we're going to move into toothless. Can't even talk today. It's been a long day at the show and all. Anyways, we're printing those toothless-like guys, and then we're going to move into his girlfriend. I can't remember her name at the moment. Oh, Bay, you're just going to follow us, huh? The whole way. Yeah, she's such a good girl. 2 AMS on that. It's working really nice. Got that set up. It's going well. Anyways, I'm glad you guys are here. Hopefully I can get some pictures together of the new things coming out. Made a whole slew, a bunch of little tiny cute animals. You guys will love them. Anyways, I hope you guys are all well, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, tell a friend, leave an idea, drop us an email. You see something you like, I'll gladly sell it to you. You can find us on Etsy. That'll be in the links. And yeah, something you want made, give us a holler. We got you. Lizzie's Toy Box. It's your boy Manic here. Everybody have a great night. Oh, Callie Bay. Hey, I got a new thing coming up before I leave. Real quick. Got a new thing coming up. Callie Bay here. She's deaf as a nail. So when I wake her up all the time, she's always startled. And it's usually cute and adorable. I'm going to be posting those. I think you will enjoy that. Anyways. Once again, I promise, for the last time, I'm really going to go this time. It's your boy Manic here at the Toy Box. Love you. Thanks. Talk to you soon.